Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video let's know we are going to unbox the HomeMate Wi-Fi Smart IR controller hub. Actually, this is the IR Smart controller hub. You can use this product for your television, or you can use this product for your air conditioner or anything. This product will support if there is a IR control is there means. And okay, let's first we can unbox it. And I purchased, okay, sorry, I need to tell one thing. I forgot to tell one thing actually. What means I purchased this product in Amazon.in at the cost of 999. It means around 1000 rupees in Indian rupee, I'm telling. And here you can see, here it is a bill. Okay, let's keep this aside. Here you can see, here is the product, HomeMate smart remote controller. And here you can see guys, they are given the information. You can customize scenes and remote and voice control, set scheduled capability with Android iOS. Okay, let's first we can unbox it. Let's come on. This is the all-in-one remote control guys. You can pair your TV remote and your AC remote, even your fan remote. All remote you can pair in this device, and you can control it from here itself, your home appliances. Let's remove this. Let's open. Here you can see guys, here is the HomeMate smart IR controller hub. Actually, here you can see the size is very small. Yeah, here you can see this is the product and what they have given inside. Let's open it up. Okay, they have given the power cable for this smart IR controller, and next thing is they have given, okay, user manual guide actually how to use this product. Even this product will support for Alexa and Google, okay, like okay Google Assistants also. Here you can see there is instructions for there to pair this product with your smartphone. Actually, here is the instructions. And okay, let's keep this box aside. And this is the smart air controller hub guys. You can use this for any home appliances if it is supporting IR control means. This is the all-in-one control. You can use this as a all-in-one remote for all home appliances. You can use this product as a remote for all home appliances. And regarding this video, that's all guys. It's just a small video regarding the unboxing of HomeMate Wi-Fi Smart IR controller hub. And in next video, just make a quick setup with our Me TV. We can start from with our Me TV. We can pair this with Me TV, and we can control our TV with this smart Wi-Fi hub, smart Wi-Fi IR controller hub. And okay guys, regarding this video, that's all. And if you're having any doubts or questions, just ask in the comment section. Definitely I will reply. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos guys. Bye, see you in next video.